Happy Dasara, Vijayadashmi Subhakangshalu to everybody. We have completed 9 videos, presentations, episodes, we call them, posting and uploading every day. So each one had a different concept we have developed. Actually on 16th only we have decided that we will do this kind of a thing, presentation. So starting from 17th we have completed 9 episodes. The 10th one we are doing it on Vijayadashmi day, how we celebrate. We usually keep all the instruments, books on near the puja place where we worship them, because Goddess Saraswati, Parvati, Lakshmi Devi, all 3 Devis, and then plus adding to that other gods, divine. We have covered Rama, Shiva, and also Venkateshwara Swami, who is known as Kali Yuga Daivam. So each episode had a concept developed, presented. It was not my own work to put it. There was a teamwork. I used to concept develop. After developing the concept, I used to give it to my student Ishita Kulkarni, who had edited, and then again give it back to my I call her Soumya, my niece also, and she is the founder director for Dev Mudra, a women's school in Aurangabad. So all 3 of us, we put together, we made these episodes. Lot of thought and work had gone into that. I hope everybody is, I don't say enjoy, but they have been appreciating. It should be information giving. Nritya Anveshana, Kuchipudi Nritya Anveshana, in the sense we are probing, or it is a kind of a discovering something which is already there. So we have, based on that concept, we have presented the episodes. And I'm very grateful, and I feel very happy that I'm part of this Dev Mudra, a movement school in Aurangabad, run by Vadadi Soumya Sri Pawar. And then the thought came that I should come here in 2018, and I came and started these classes. The students are very committed and dedicated, but for them I wouldn't have produced so many videos also of different compositions. My journey in this Anveshana, which started in Hyderabad, when in my teaching career I have put up 20 years in Hyderabad. Later when I shifted to Mumbai after marriage, it was kind of a different ambience, non-Telugu speaking students. So I had to translate my text, which is in Telugu. So this is all kind of an Anveshana where I had to probe into the teaching methodology. That was another one in Mumbai. And when I came to Aurangabad, it was a different thing. It is more concentrated with Marathi speaking students. So I had to translate the text and explain the meaning. So all these dances which were in Telugu text, I had to explain to them, but amazingly they have adapted to this Telugu language and presented the compositions with much understanding, as if they are Telugu speaking students. So on this day I'm very happy that I'm amongst so many students who are very committed, and we would like to go ahead with this start into different angles. Maybe we will be producing another some more episodes which will probe into the Kuchipudi dance technique. This is with my experience and knowledge gained in more than 5 decades. As a researcher, as a choreographer and a teacher, my knowledge and experiences I wanted to share with more people, which is very rewarding to contribute for an artist. Thank you very much for watching the videos, and I'm thanking Dev Mudra Movement School, all my extending my best wishes to the school also. Thank you very much.
शिव श्री कृष्ण सांब शिव श्रीरस्तु विजय भव शुभमङ्गलम् श्री कृष्ण सांब शिव श्री कृष्ण सांब शिव श्रीरस्तु विजय भव शुभमङ्गलम् श्री कृष्ण सांब शिव श्री कृष्ण सांब शिव श्रीरस्तु विजय भव जय मङ्गलम् श्री कृष्ण सांब शिव श्री कृष्ण सांब शिव श्रीरस्तु विजय भव जय मङ्गलम् सदा शिव मङ्गलम् महोत्सव मङ्गलम् सदा शिव मङ्गलम् महोत्सव मङ्गलम् श्री कृष्ण सांब शिव श्री कृष्ण सांब शिव श्रीरस्तु विजय भव शुभमङ्गलम् శ్రీకృష్ణుడవు నీవు శ్రీధరుండవు నీవు శ్రీమంతుడవు నీవు శ్రితపోషక శ్రీకృష్ణుడవు నీవు శ్రీధరుండవు నీవు శ్రీమంతుడవు నీవు శ్రితపోషక శ్రీ సాంబ శివుడవు శ్రీకంఠుడవు నీవు శ్రీకరుండవు నీవు శ్రితరక్షక శ్రీ సాంబ శివుడవు శ్రీకంఠుడవు నీవు శ్రీకరుండవు నీవు శ్రితరక్షక శ్రీకృష్ణ సాంబ శివ శ్రీకృష్ణ సాంబ శివ శ్రీరస్తు విజయ భవ శుభమంగళం श्रीकृष्ण सांब शिव श्रीरस्तु विजय भव शुभमङ्गलम् श्रीकृष्ण सांब शिव श्रीकृष्ण सांब शिव श्रीरस्तु विजय भव शुभमङ्गलम् श्रीकृष्ण सांब शिव श्रीकृष्ण सांब शिव श्रीरस्तु विजय भव शुभमङ्गलम् श्रीकृष्ण सांब शिव श्रीकृष्ण सांब शिव श्रीरस्तु विजय भव शुभमङ्गलम्
A very happy Vijayadashmi to all. All these 9 days you have been seeing these Nritya Anveshana series on Kuchipudi dance, and we are very thankful to Guru Dr. Rajalakshmi Seth ma'am for sharing her knowledge, her treasure of so many years experience in this field, whether it's Natavangam, choreography, teaching techniques in Kuchipudi and Bharatanatyam. We are very fortunate to have her in our institute for the last 3 years, and Kuchipudi is being introduced in Marathwada region for the first time, and we are affiliated to Bharati Vidyapeeth diploma exam, in which our students are appearing and they are getting certificates for diploma, and also they are getting marks for SSC, grace marks. So it's very beneficial, this course. Along with Bharatanatyam, we have 5 years Kuchipudi diploma course. So this series will be continuing every week on different aspects of Kuchipudi, and also comparison between Bharatanatyam and Kuchipudi, because there's a lot of still confusion, I can say, or still many people, they can't differentiate between Kuchipudi and Bharatanatyam because of maybe neighboring states, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Also the Aharya and the music is very similar, because Carnatic music and Aharyam, the costume and all, but we are trying very fine difference to make out, make a very fine difference. Even the technique, even in the costume, Guruji is trying. We are taking small details into account so that people can understand what Kuchipudi is. Thank you very much. These series are educational series in dance. So our audience, all the dance students, not only Kuchipudi, all other classical dance students, scholars are welcome to send queries or ask questions, and if they have any queries in Kuchipudi dance, they can share, and you can write in the comment section below, or also you can contact us. We have mentioned the website and phone number and email ID in our series. Thank you very much. Happy Dussehra.